Muli mga kapuso, nandito tayo sa Family Feud Studio kung saan patuloy ang bakbakan ng mga mamamahayag ng GMA Integrated News. So far leading po ang aming team, ang Tutok 24 with 81 points. Ang tanong, nasustain kaya namin ang momentum? Ding dong!
Palakpakan po natin!
Yes!
Pangaliban Perez! Live na live! Wow! This time, maghaharap naman sina JP Soriano at Nico Wahe, guys. Let's play round 2. Good luck sa inyo. Top 7 answers po ang hinahanap natin. Kumpletuhin ang linya ng bata. Ito sinasabi ng mga bata. Mami, I don't want to blank. JP, eat. I don't want to eat. Grabe. Madalas ko naririnig yan.
I know.
Madalas ko naririnig yan. Survey says, I don't want to eat. Paul, answer. JP, pass or play?
Play.
Let's go play round 2, JP. Marisol, kumpletuhin ang linya ng bata. Mami, I don't want to blank.
I don't want to sleep.
Sleep? Sleep naman. Kasi puro laro eh.
Kasi mahirap talaga ang bata patulugin.
Diba? Survey. Yeah. Salima, kumpletuhin ang linya ng bata. Mami, I don't want to blank.
Go to school.
Yan! Survey. Yep. Tina, kumpletuhin ang linya ng bata. Mami, I don't want to blank.
Take a bath.
I don't want to take a bath. Survey. Yes. JP, kumpletuhin ang linya ng bata. Mami, I don't want to blank.
Study.
Study. O iba yun sa go to school.
Yeah.
Ito, siguro homework.
Yeah.
Nandyan ba ang study? Yep. Marisol, dalawa na lang to. Mami, I don't want to blank.
I don't wanna go with you.
I don't want to go with you. O baka siguro, gusto yung sama.
Ang bata mahirap ng pasamahin eh, kasi gusto nila
Dito ka
maglaro.
dito, sama ka sa akin. Kaya sabi mo,
Pwede.
I don't wanna go
I
with
don't
you.
wanna go with you.
It's okay. We still have 2 more chances. Salima, ano kaya? Mami, I don't want to blank.
Go to the doctor o kaya sa dentist. Meron!
Usually, kasi kapag naranasan nila yung in-injection na sila, ayaw
Masakit.
nilang bumalik.
Ayaw na.
I don't wanna go to the doctor. Wala rin. One last chance, Christina. Ibigay natin sa kanila kung di natin makuha. Mami, I don't want to blank.
Leave the house.
I don't wanna leave the house. Is it there? Wala rin. Ha? Alam na ni Bam. Okay. Von, ano kaya to?
Siguro, Kuya Dong, ayaw pang gumising. I don't wanna wake up just
I don't wanna wake up.
Kasi
Galing.
inaantok pa.
I don't wanna brush my teeth.
I don't wanna brush my teeth, Nico.
Pares lang ako kay Darlene eh. I don't wanna brush my teeth.
Don't wanna brush my teeth. Pero ang tanong, Bam, susundin mo ba sila o may iba ka? Mami, I don't want to blank.
Tama, dala ko yung pamangkin ko. Yung lagi sinasabi niya, Mami, I don't wanna brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth!
Wala,
Nandyan ba yan? Brush my teeth. Number 6. Go home! I don't want to go home. Number 3. Baliktad naman, I don't want to play. After 2 rounds, lalo pang lumaki ang lamang ng Tutok 24. Meron na silang 155 points. Habang 0 pa rin po ang Liga ng Katotohanan.